So, first of all, what do these three words mean? Well, osmosis is if you had like a boundary here, and we should say it's a semi-permeable membrane, and over here we've got like water molecules on either side. So let me pause the video and make some water molecules. So we've got the same amount of water molecules either side, but what we might have is also some other particles. Now, the other particles, oh, by the way, this isn't what a water molecule look like, so I just think about it as like particles for now as opposed to molecules. But the other particles may not be big enough to fit through the gap. Um, However, what we might want to do is increase the concentration. So the way that we increase the concentration is by having the water molecules move through, it equalizes the concentration. So that's what osmosis is. So I think the water molecules moving into that would be osmosis. We may need to check this in a moment though. I do know a bit more about active transport because and diffusion. So active transport is when something is moving against the concentration gradient. In other words, generally speaking, things will want to go from high concentration to low concentration. But what active transport does is goes against that. Now, if we look down at the bottom here, we want to try to get. It says if we have a look at it carefully, it says how each substance would move into the root hair cell. Well, it shows us that in the bottom case, we have a high concentration on the inside and a low concentration on the outside. So moving that into there would be against the concentration gradient, which means that it would have to be active transport. The next one is diffusion. If the nitrate ion is going into that, now it's going from high concentration to low, so regular diffusion should be fine for that. So that's what I think are the answers that. So I'll save that there.